Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to enter the settings. If you cannot find them, no worries, 3 dots icon and the settings should appear right here. So let's enter, let's tap on the languages, and here, as you can see, we've got the list of all previously added languages. So let's add a new one to it. Let's tap on add keyboard, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which you can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick for example this one. And now you can, sometimes you will be able to pick the region. So let me pick this one. And here you've got the keyboard types which you can pick. So I will pick, for example, this one without this one, in order to show you the actual difference, because as you can see here, we've got some graphical letters. So let's tap on done if you're ready. And as you can see, we've got the language applied. So now we can go back to the keyboard. And here we've got actually two differences. So first of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm freely typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Urdu one. Let me tap on it again, and here we've got English. So basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And if you'd like to remove the language, so for example if you'd like to leave only one language applied, then let's go back to the settings, tap on the languages and tap on the edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. Again, we've got the English, so it looks like it was at the very beginning of the video. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that first of all the spacebar is empty, and second of all we do not have the globe icon, so we cannot change the language. So actually this is it. This is how to add the language, how to change the language to keyboard in the Oppo Reno 7 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.